Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my room. My room is a mess. I really need to get myself together. Like, this is not cute at all. Yeah, there's just like a lot going on here. I have like a few bowls like these from like eating popcorn. Like, this is disgusting. It's summertime. You can't have like bowls and stuff in your room because you don't want bugs and all that stuff. So guys, we're gonna be cleaning, and if your room is dirty too like mine, don't be shy, clean along with me. Let's clean together. So here's a quick overview of my room. It's literally disgusting. Since I started cleaning my room, it's only been 20 minutes. Like, I'm not even joking. I've been timing myself. So I'm gonna keep working super fast. I hope to get this done in, I'd say 40 minutes. I don't know if that's like too fast. I'll say like an hour. That sounds pretty good. We are officially done with one section. I am super excited. Look at it. It is so clean. All that stuff over there is for a haul video, and my bed is still dirty. I completely forgot about washing my sheets, so I'm gonna do that real quick. And then we're going to move on to this disaster on this side. I was so thirsty. All right, I'm back from putting my sheets in the laundry. I'm now going to be tackling this side of my room. I just need like a quick drink. I feel like my blood sugar felt low. I don't know, I felt kind of lightheaded. I'm basically almost done. Like, my floor's pretty clear. I just have to do this, put these clothes near my closet where the other new clothes are, and then just like get rid of all this junk on my makeup table. And once I do that, I basically should be done. Let me see where I am on time. So it's been 1 hour and 24 minutes. I think my goal before was 2 to 3 hours. So I think I should definitely be able to get all this done in 2 hours, but we'll see. I swear, I hate duvets so much. Guys, I tried. I really did try, but like I can't do it. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I just need to regroup, eat some food. Maybe after I'm done eating, I'll feel like finishing today. But if I don't, then I don't, and that's okay because I finished a lot today. I don't know how I did it all those other times, cleaning my room straight through, not taking a break. Like I can't do it. I'm starving. Like I need food. I didn't have to go out because my boyfriend ended up getting me food. I got chicken strips, macaroni, a Sprite, and my 2 sauces, and yeah. It's the next day and I don't have too many things I need to do today. I just need to mop my floors, dust my windows, and put away my clean clothes. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else after that. I may do laundry, not sure, but I guess we'll see. So yeah, let's just get started. I accidentally kicked my dog. I didn't realize he walked in here. I feel bad, but he'll be fine. All right, I am officially done. My room smells so good. I'm so happy that I did all of this. I just can't live in a dirty room. Like, I don't know how I was able to do it before. I guess I'm changing. Maybe like quarantining changed me. I have no idea why, but I just like, I can't function. I feel like I get so many more things done when my room is clean. This was a great reset. I mean, I didn't finish it on Monday like I wanted to, but it's only Tuesday and I'm proud of myself because now I have a nice clean room. Look at this. Look at that. Don't mind that. Don't look at that. Look at this. Like, guys, my room is clean. If you guys want to see more of me, definitely make sure to subscribe. I film lifestyle, beauty, and fashion videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.